Good morning, children. Welcome to our chemistry class. In previous class, we learned what is acid, what is base, its properties, and reactions. I mean chemical reactions. Now we are discussing common in acids. So there is something in common in acids. What we can see? Acids give hydrogen gas when they react with the metal. This shows that all acids contains hydrogen. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, etc. When an acid is dissolved in water, it dissociates into hydrogen. The dissociation of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution is the common property in all acids. Because of the dissociation of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, an acid shows acidic behavior. Example, hydrochloric acid gives hydrogen ion H plus and Cl minus chloride ion. Okay. Acetic acid example CH3COOH which gives acetate ion plus hydrogen ion. The questions are given below. So children, we can prove this through an experiment. You can see a beaker containing dilute hydrochloric solution and electricity passes through it. Then bulb is glowing. The bulb will start glowing in the case of acids. When we take glucose or alcohol instead of hydrochloric acid in a beaker, we cannot see the bulb is glowing. That means they do not conduct electricity. But in the case of acid, the electric current passes through it. That means the electric current is carried through the solution by ions. Since the cation present in acids is H plus ion, this suggests that acids produce hydrogen ions H plus aqueous in solution, which are responsible for their acidic properties. As we discussed in the case of acids, the bases also have the common factor. A base dissociates hydroxide ion in water, which is responsible for the basic behavior of a compound. Example, when a sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, it dissociates into hydroxide ion and sodium ion. NaOH, which gives Na plus OH minus. All are in aqueous medium. That is sodium hydroxide, which gives sodium ion plus hydroxide ion. Similarly, when potassium hydroxide is dissolved in water, it dissociates into hydroxide ion and potassium ion. KOH gives K plus OH minus. All are in aqueous medium. Potassium hydroxide which gives potassium ion plus hydroxide ion. Thus, the base shows its basic character because of dissociation of hydroxide ion. Now, let us talk about the topic acids bases in water solution. What will be happen when acid and base in a water solution? You can see an experiment here. We take dry test tube and add solid sodium chloride to it. After that, we mix concentrated sulfuric acid to it. After mixing of concentrated sulfuric acid, we can see a fuming gas is coming from the delivery tube. We showing a blue litmus paper, wet blue litmus paper on the way of coming gas. What will be happen there? The color of blue litmus paper changes to red. That means the coming gas has a acidic character. How can we prove? How can we explain this? By the reaction, the fuming gas is HCl gas. So when we showing the wet blue litmus paper on the way of HCl gas, the HCl gas in the presence of water content, it dissociates into H plus ions. So, it is showing an acidic character. We can say that an acid is a substance which dissociates when dissolved in water to release hydrogen ion. For example, an aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid dissociates to form hydrogen ions. Since hydrogen ions do not exist as H plus in solution, they combine with polar water molecule to form hydronium ions. HCl which gives H plus Cl minus This H plus when react with H2O, which gives H3O plus ion, hydronium ions. The presence of hydrogen ions in hydrochloric acid solution makes it behave like an acid. Then what is bases? Similarly, a base is a substance which dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ion. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ion and sodium ions. NaOH gives Na plus OH minus. The presence of hydroxide ion in sodium hydroxide solution makes it behave like a base. You have more example here. Potassium hydroxide in presence of water, it converted into K plus OH minus. Magnesium hydroxide in presence of water, which dissociates into Mg2 plus ion plus 2OH. Now, as we have identified that all acids generate H plus ion and all bases generate OH minus ion, we can view the neutralization reaction as follows. Acid plus base, which gives salt plus water. HX plus MOH, which gives MX plus HOH. It is a general form of reaction. H plus OH minus, which gives H2O. Clear? Next, what is strong acid? An acid which is completely ionized in water and produces H plus is called strong acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. They are strong acids. What is weak acids? An acid which is partially ionized in water and thus produces a small amount of hydrogen ion is called weak acids. Example, acetic acid, carbonic acid, etc. When a concentrated solution of acid is diluted by mixing water, then the concentration of hydrogen ions or hydronium ion per unit volume decreases. Then next is types of bases. Bases can be divided into two types, water soluble and water insoluble. The hydroxide of alkali and alkaline earth metals are soluble in water. These are also known as alkali. For example, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. Alkali is considered as a strong base. Okay children, what we have learned today? Common factor in acids, common factor in base, and acids in aqueous solution, bases in aqueous solution, then strong acid, strong base. Okay, the terms, new terms we have. Now let us wind up our class today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.